Hey everybody! In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to alter a little figurine into some spooky Halloween witches. Now I noticed when I got these are just used like estate sale little figurines. But I noticed when I went to clean them that not all of them were primed. So on this one, for example, the paint just came right off. So they're made out of resin and they didn't really prime it right. So make sure you give them a thorough cleaning. This is with rubbing alcohol before you attempt to paint them yourself. So I used actually what is a primer, and it's phenomenal because it's a matte black primer to just cover these little dolls. And then if I apply glue, which I do, and you'll see me do it later on, it'll leave like a shiny residue. So I go back with the primer on top of that just to kind of dampen down the shininess and make it match the rest of the doll. So you'll see me do that with the hat. So I'm just going to put on some spooky music and let you watch my quick little process of creating these two little witches.